Behind me, you may recognise what we have. Now, we have a Portofino 47. This is a boat we've recently videoed. We've done this before, and she's been out of water. So she's been out of water here at Nos on Dart, where we've got our office, as you know. And I thought I'd give you a quick sort of condition check. And it's sometimes quite nice, if you're interested in this boat, to see the works that have been carried out. So behind me, you'll see that she's had pretty much all the sort of pre-season treatment. So she's been freshly polished. You can see that it's very, very shiny. In fact, if I stand back, you can probably make out me waving, but it certainly looks really nice, and a deep shine there for sure. She's been freshly anti-fouled, so we've got a layer of black anti-foul. Now, I've discussed this before, but the anti-foul is designed to stop the marine growth, so that's its purpose. You can see here we've got an underwater light, so we've got an LED underwater light there in the hull, and that's a nice clean tape line as well, and polished all the way down into that anti-foul line as well, so that looks really good. Go around the scaffold tower here. Wind's died off actually, which is nice. Under the water here, you can see we've got the props have been prop speeded. So prop speed is a interesting material. It's designed to, again, stop marine growth, but it's a very, very hard wearing coating that is quite expensive. So lots of people don't do it, but some boats do, and this boat's got it done. And that really does help to maintain the performance, maintain the cleanliness of the props, the rudders, and those P brackets. We've got the stern thruster here, so that's a stern thruster. We mentioned those on the video, and that's a really decent sized stern thruster. More underwater lights there running around the transom, and then the trim tabs here as well with nice fresh anodes on. You can see underneath here we've got the mechanism for the underwater platform. That all looks nice and clean. And then the starboard side as well, you can see the luster on that gel coat running all the way through. And it's important to point out here, you know, on a Sunseeker of this era, the quality of the gel layup is so good. You know, it's such a deep shine, a really, really strong hull, and that hull shine is definitely there, that's for sure. So hopefully this is a short video on this occasion. If you want to see the full video for this boat, there will be a link on the screen to go and see that. We'd love you to go and watch it. Come and have a look. This is quite a special boat. We'd love to hear from you. Give us a call and we can talk about it in a bit more detail, and let's get you on it. Let's get you on this boat. Let's get you a berth in the West Country, and let's go boating for 2026.